Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So it is Saturday and we are about at Dollar General. We're about to get into a 5 off of 25 scenario for today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the Lysol. So I came in here looking for the yellow Lysol trigger sprays because those are attaching to the digital coupons that we have for Lysol disinfecting spray. My store does not have the Lysol trigger sprays, but they do have these yellow Lysol cleaners. And the $2 ones are also attaching to those digitals. So you may have a $1.25 off that will make these only 75 cents, or you may have $1 off or 75 cents off. But either way, couponing for Lysol is a treat. So I'm going to grab 2 of these today and we're going to use our digitals on that. And it's also important to mention that I am at a store with a DG Go self-checkout station. And that is super important because when you check out with DG Go self-checkout, you get an additional 10% off of your purchases. So the images that I'm going to show you, I'm going to get an additional 10% off by using the self-checkout. So we are going to save even more money on top of our 5 off of 25. Not all stores have DG Go self-checkout. Most stores do not have DG Go self-checkout, but you can check online on the Dollar General website and it will tell you which stores do. So I'm not going to have to interface with a cashier today. I'll be able to go up to the front and bag up all of my items and get an electronic receipt to go. Next up, I'm going to grab one of these Scott toilet paper. So these are $5. I'm going to be using the $1 digital coupon. The next item I wanted, they do not have in stock, and that is the Snuggle that's on sale for $3 this week. Our $1.50 off digital works for this, making it just $1.50. You can also grab the $2 Snuggle dryer sheets, of course, and they are out of those as well, but those will be just 50 cents. So what I am going to grab is the Snuggle scent beads. So these are also included in the sale. They are $3, and we're going to use that $1.50 digital. Oh, looky here. It pays to check the end cap. So on the end cap, I found the $3 Snuggle. So we're going to swap out the Snuggle beads that we got for this one right here. Next up, I'm going to grab some all free and clear detergent. So this is $4, but I have a $2 digital coupon. Now let's grab some Tide Simply Pods. So these are $2.95. We have a $2 digital coupon. Next up, I'm going to grab one of these Old Spice deodorants. So these are $2.95. We're going to be using the $2.50 off digital coupon. Next up, I grabbed a battery-powered toothbrush. So these are $6 and we have a $2 digital coupon. All right, you guys, so this is our all digital 5 off of 25 scenario. This totals up to $25.90 worth of product. So that qualifies us to get our 5 off of 25 savings. So you want to make sure you have that loaded. For the Scott toilet paper, we're going to use our $1 digital, that is $5. For the all, we are going to use our $2 digital, that is $4. For our big Snuggle baby, that is $3. We're going to use that $1.50 digital. For the Tide Pods, we are going to use our $2 digital, and that is $2.95. For the Lysol, we're going to use a $1.25 digital coupon, that is $2. For the electric toothbrush, that is $6, and we have a $2 digital coupon. And then for the Old Spice, that's $2.95. We're going to use that $2.50 digital. So after all of our coupons, if you're not using DG Go, your subtotal will be about $8.65, I'm thinking. But because I'm getting an additional 10% in savings with the DG Go app, my subtotal is going to be just $6.49 for all of these items. Yes, just $6.49. That's like paying for the toothbrush and getting everything else for free. So that is a really good deal. So I'm going to go up to the front and check out now using the DG Go app. I will not get a traditional receipt. My receipt will be electronic, but I will show you guys after I check out that everything worked. All right, you guys, so I am back in the car and that worked out perfectly. So the little on-screen portion of my DG Go self-checkout station was not working, but it's okay because you really don't need that part. You really just need to bag your stuff up and go. My store manager was just like, let me see your QR code to see that you paid and you're good to go. So it's really convenient because I did not have to just stand in that long Saturday line that can be in the store. Just show your QR code, bag up your stuff, and get up out of there. And then let me show you my digital receipt. As you can see, I paid $6.49 for all of these items. That is what you call a deal. I am sitting here debating if I'm going to go back in here and do one more. I think I am, just because of that extra 10% off is really clutch. So I think I'm going to go back in here and do one more transaction because I really do need another electric toothbrush and some more Lysol. All right, you guys, so this is my second and final transaction today. I really just wanted to focus on the items that I wanted: the Lysol, the electric toothbrush, and the Scott. So this is totaling up to $25.95. Now, typically, when you are doing a Scott Instant Savings promotion, now, typically, when you are doing a Scott Instant Savings promotion, you want to make sure that your total is $28. So if you're not using the DG Go app, then make sure that your total is $28. Add something else to this deal. But since the DG Go app is not requiring that my total be over that $28, I'm going to go ahead and roll with this. So we have three of the Scott for $5 a piece. I'll be using the $1 digital coupon, no other coupons. We're going to keep it all digital since we're using DG Go. I have one of the Crest electric toothbrushes again for $6. Make sure you scan these because some of them are not ringing out for $6. Some of them are $7, the newer ones. So make sure you have a $6 one. And then I have my Lysol again, and then I have another Old Spice. So this is totaling me up to $25.95. I am going to get the 5 off of 25 discount, the 3 off of 15 instant savings, and we are also getting 10% off with DG Go. After all of those savings and my digital coupons, this is going to total up to just $9.28, which I will take because just these two items alone is $9. So it's like we're getting the paper products and the Lysol for free. So let's go up and check out just like we did the first time, and we should be good to go. All right, you guys, so I have checked out and we are well stocked on our Scott today, and that was $9.28, just like I anticipated. The DG Go is really cool how it did not require me to get to that $28 threshold with the instant savings, so I will take that, and I am about to carry my butt home. I hope this shopping was helpful to you all, and I hope you're having a great Saturday. And as always, I'll talk to you soon. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. Bye, you guys.